Hey there, YouTube viewers. This is Mark from Marvin and Mark, and this is Weekly Update! Woo! Our first time doing this. Anyway, guys, Weekly Update yeah, we're gonna do this once a week. So to explain the Weekly Update to you guys, what's gonna happen is we're gonna be taking turns, me and Marvin. And I know I said that about blog props before. And I know Marvin hasn't had a chance to do that, but this time, this is his idea, guys. So Marvin will be doing an episode every second week. I'll be doing the first week, he'll be doing the second week. So, you know, this, I want to make fun. I'm going to friggin', like, go nuts if I have to. But, you know, let's try to make this fun, you know. So, alright, so a weekly update. I saw the movie Dredd, and Dredd is an action film where there are judges that are, well, it's another name for a cop mostly, and he gets trapped in a building that he was trying to investigate with a rookie, and what happens is that he has to go to the, what is it, like the big headmaster of the bad people, like, you know, the groups or whatever. You know, oh, a gang, that's it. A gang. So, that's what the movie's about, guys. He goes up through level, through the whole building, and then he gets to the gang member. That's mostly, like, that's the whole movie, mostly. But anyway, yeah, so that is Dredd. You know, if there's any other news out there that you guys want to share with us, so we can say through the week, I don't mind that, really. You know, even Marvin doesn't mind. You tell us news, like, especially about hockey and stuff, you know, the lockout. Yeah, because this month is going to be their, what is it? Their next meeting about next year's game, like for season. So they are going to decide if they want it or not. But the way it's looking like, guys, is that there might not be, because everyone left. Like, they went to the, oh, what is it? It's like Canada, Sweden, like their league, you know what I mean? Like country hockey, I don't know. It's a league for hockey. I don't know what you guys would call it. Like, it'd be country versus country. You get the idea. It's mostly like the Olympics. But, yeah, so, that's mostly it for the weekly update, guys. I want you guys to keep tuning in, because isn't this show awesome? But anyway, you know, I even got myself a table. I got a new background, guys. That's why I thought I'd do the, you know, do something interesting. Because it's a weekly update with no paper that I would be holding, just like if I was a news anchor man. But anyway, there are new things coming up soon that we are going to be doing videos and stuff, you know, etc., etc. You probably heard me say that so many times. I'm really sorry about that, guys. It's just every time we try to do like a planning, it always fails. Yeah, especially with Oh My God JP. If you never saw the last monthly chat, guys, he is in the in that monthly chat. Oh My God JP. So I'll leave the link below if you guys never saw it before. I'll leave a link also to our blogs. If you want to see blogs, you know, there's a contest for it. Not for the first three blogs, because that's the, what is it? That's like the, what is it? Practice. It's like a practice thing to like get you guys going. So anyway, guys, that's mostly it for this weekly update. And, you know, like I said, keep tuning in. Subscribe. Subscribe to this channel right now, if you haven't. And, like our videos, guys, you know. Favorite. Do all that stuff that everyone does to other channels. Yeah, so that's weekly update. I think I just said that for the third time. I'm really sorry, guys, that I'm keep repeating myself, by the way. I do that a lot. But anyway, so that is it. I'll see you guys later, and have a good day, good night, whatever time you're watching this. And yeah, peace.